Alright, YouTube, I have gotten 2 new toys today. I got this EUREKA the Boss, 10 amps, and this is the one I'm going to run first. The other one is a Hoover Runabout. I'm going to get this over here because my damn phone is starting to fucking die. Excuse my damn language, but that's just how I feel about this stupid iPhone. I need to plug the Runabout in. Yes, it's a Runabout, it's just purple is all. I know I'm used to seeing Runabouts either blue or black or whatever. But we're going to run the EUREKA first, since it was plugged in first. This one, I need to find out what's going on with it. It sounds bad. I don't know what it is. It sounds like a fan, but I looked at the fan. The fan is alright. No cracks, no chips or anything in it. It just doesn't sound good. But we'll hear that in a minute. First, let's run the EUREKA, the Boss. Foot switch, pretty good. Well, the stupid plug is... I'm going to plug these in up there. I'm tired of dealing with this. So, yeah, this power strip does not work on all the outlets. So, here we go. Finally, should work this time. Now, before I run out of film, time to hear the Hoover over here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. The Runabout, I need to look further into it. Anyway, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye. Get a view of these together. Now, until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means your true loving daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.